The following is sponsored by Medical Media Group and the following physicians and healthcare organizations.
Today on the American Health Front, are your gums pulling away from your teeth? This could be a sign of gum recession, which can lead to the loss of teeth. We discover a minimally invasive treatment to help reverse gum recession. Injuries, degenerative disease, or simply aging can cause problems with our joints. We explore the benefits of surgery performed in an outpatient surgery center. As we age, our bodies change. We'll show you how stem cells within our body can help rejuvenate us and relieve pain. Please stay with us as we discover the importance of choosing the right team of skilled and experienced specialists when it comes to treatment of our brain or spine. Hello everyone, I'm Marty Caniglia. Welcome to the American Health Front. The purpose of our program is to educate and inform you, the viewer, about treatment options now available in the ever-changing world of medicine. This is a special San Francisco edition of American Health Front. Our staff has teamed up with some of the area's finest physicians and healthcare facilities to explore the fascinating frontiers of today's healthcare with reports on new techniques and technologies that could change your life. Stay with us because there's nothing more important than your health.
First on the American Health Front, do you know what gum disease, grinding our teeth, wearing braces, and brushing incorrectly all have in common? They can all lead to unsightly and often uncomfortable gum recession.
Treating gum recession has been complicated and very uncomfortable until now. Dr. Barry Parrish and the staff at Benicia Family Dentistry offer a minimally invasive treatment called the Chow pinhole technique for gum rejuvenation.
Gum recession is when the gums pull away from our teeth and expose their roots. It's caused by gum disease, grinding our teeth, brushing too hard, or even orthodontic braces. Yes, you can lose your teeth. It is often very uncomfortable and it causes unattractive smiles.
Dr. Parrish tells us how this treatment works and what the benefits are to this technique.
We reverse gum recession by doing a gum lift to gently raise and cover exposed, unattractive, and sensitive roots. First, we make pinholes nearby so we can gently free the gums without cutting, and like a curtain, the gums fall into place. We place collagen for support, and the gums reattach to the roots naturally. Important advantages of the Chow pinhole technique are no cutting, stitching, or painful grafts. It gives immediate results with little discomfort or downtime. Before, we had to harvest gums on the roof of the mouth. It was so painful. Can you imagine cutting the roof of your mouth? We were limited by how much we could strip from the roof of the mouth, so we could only treat 1 or 2 teeth at a time. No more. Large areas can be treated with ease. The pinhole technique is far better. It's easier, faster, and gentler.
It was simple. I had no pain, no swelling, followed the directions afterwards, what I was supposed to do, and it was easy.
Dr. Barry Parrish and his team offer superior treatments to help save teeth and improve lives using the most superior treatments available.
We all know that it's important to stay active, but wear and tear on our joints, degenerative disease, or simply getting older can make it hard to achieve that goal.
Orthopedic surgery, such as joint replacements, may be needed. In the past, treatment was typically geared toward older patients, and most joint replacements were performed in a hospital with a 1 to 3 day stay. Today, things have changed. Patients are seeking treatment at a younger age. The good news is that surgical techniques combined with specialized equipment and advances in anesthesia allows the orthopedic surgeons at Presidio Surgery Center to offer outpatient joint replacement surgery, which means patients can go home the next day and occasionally the same day.
After years of an active lifestyle, people can wear down the cartilage in their joints, resulting on bone arthritis. Joint replacement helps to relieve pain and restore function, bringing patients back to their active lifestyle. So at Presidio Surgery Center, we have the capability to perform the full range of joint replacement surgery.
We learned about the advantages of having surgery in a surgical center as compared to a hospital.
At Presidio, our physicians are board certified with advanced training, offering special techniques such as muscle sparing, anterior approach hip replacement, custom knee replacement, and shoulder replacement. We have dedicated ourselves to our patients and outcomes. We've been recognized by the Joint Commission by receiving the advanced certification for hip and knee replacement. This is the first center to receive this award in the state of California. Why choose Presidio? It's simple. We offer comprehensive, coordinated, cost-effective care to our patients. We have a standardized, evidence-based program that follows the patient from their office visit through their recovery. Patients tell us they like their experience at Presidio better than that at a hospital. They have more individualized care with lower out-of-pocket cost. We've been tracking our outcomes for years and have found that we have lower complication rates than at a hospital.
Presidio Surgery Center, highly trained experts, advanced technology, and quality care, committed to excellence.
If you'd like more information about anything featured on today's program, or if you miss any of the important numbers that are shown throughout our program, please call 1-800-984-2010. Our staff will be happy to direct you to the medical professional that could be of particular interest to you.
Getting older is a natural part of life. Many of us wish for the youthful looks that we once had, or to be able to move as easy as we did when we were younger.
I was exhausted. I was exhausted, and I also was having tummy troubles, and I had been through a lot of stress. I had lost my husband.
Dr. Paul Kim and the compassionate team at Presidio Medical Group in Walnut Creek offer treatments that are on the forefront of healthy aging medicine.
People come to see me normally when they're hitting their early 50s, late 60s, the idea that they're starting to notice the symptoms of the aging process. Mainly the hormonal imbalances and the toxic load that is built up is causing them to have issues with poor sleep, a lot of fatigue, falling asleep in the afternoon, issues with weight gain, poor memory, focus issues, and then joint aches.
Dr. Kim creates customized treatment plans for each patient.
We start out with a very strong history, and then we do scheduled testing for blood, possibly urine, possibly saliva. It's all dependent on how much they want to get involved in their health profile. So by removing toxicities, by improving hormonal balances, by keeping you lean and your muscle tissue up to the levels that you used to have, we're hoping to be able to keep you functional for a very long period of time. And instead of this decay, it's more of a sudden loss where you just then pass on. I think most people would prefer that route, even if they had to sacrifice a few months of their lives at the end, than having to go through this constant decay. And so that's one of the goals of healthy aging medicine.
I was back like I used to be in a very short time.
Dr. Paul H. Kim, along with the team at Presidio Medical Group, are on the forefront of healthy aging medicine to help you improve your health as you age. Memory loss can happen at different ages or from different causes, but it's important to understand that not every memory loss automatically means Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease attacks the brain, and it is the most common form of dementia. Dr. Ikjan Chokar of Neurology Clinic of Marin tells us about choices available to help.
Any kind of medical illness like thyroid problems, vitamin deficiencies, alcoholism or drug abuse or sleep deprivation, taking over-the-counter medications, some of the medications that are used for urinary incontinence, or even sometimes cough syrups or antidepressant types can contribute to memory problems. The first thing I do is take a detailed history and ask their sleep habits, what they do, how they spend their day, what they eat, and so on. After history taking, I do a neurological exam to see if they actually have physical findings that can suggest some other disorders. And then I always order a brain MRI, blood work to look for multiple vitamin deficiencies, autoimmune disorders, as well as thyroid problems and lipid panel, sugar, diabetes, and so on. Treatment of the patient is not based only on the medication. We give medications to improve the memory or stabilize the memory. We give medications to help with the behavior, depression, mood, and sleep. But also, the most important thing is we tell the patients to do exercise every day for at least 20 20 to 30 minutes. Studies showed very well that physical exercises, cardiac rehab, as well as sleeping well, at least 7 hours per day, eating well.
It has helped me immensely. Immediately, a lot of my anxiety went down and I felt better and I could handle things better, remembered things better.
Neurology Clinic of Marin, comprehensive, excellent care because we listen and we care. When it comes to conditions that affect the brain and the spine, one of the most important decisions that you can make is the team of specialists you choose for treatment. You want a team who not only has the experience and skills to treat conditions of the brain, spine, and peripheral nerve system, but who also offer treatments using a multidisciplinary approach. Combined with new technology, a team such as Pacific Brain and Spine Medical Group, who have provided neurological care personalized for every patient for over 20 years, with surgeons having over 80 years of combined experience.
At Pacific Brain and Spine, our mission is to provide patient-centered, exceptional neurosurgical care for problems such as brain tumors, spinal cord tumors, blood vessel problems that cause aneurysms or strokes. We also manage a broad spectrum of spine problems that lead to compression of nerves, pain, and other symptoms. This includes disc disease. Lastly, we also manage dementia-type diseases, including hydrocephalus.
With advanced technology, they have helped thousands of patients improve their quality of life and return to good health.
Our practice has been a leader in clinical innovation. Most recently, we have partnered with Synaptive Technologies and NICO, two companies that are pushing the frontier of neuroscience. Synaptive's bright matter tractography planning software is transforming the way neurosurgeons evaluate a patient's MRI scan. Previously, it required 6 to 10 hours of a neuroradiologist's time to create a map of the brain pathways intimate with the regions we need to operate near. The bright matter software performs this process in minutes with greater fidelity and better integration with intraoperative navigation systems. Combined with NICO's minimally invasive access system, BrainPath, and Synaptive's robotically manipulated optical system, this advancement allows brain tumors and bleeding strokes to be more precisely removed. There is less risk of disturbing healthy, eloquent pathways in the brain, leading to a shorter recovery. This technology is transforming cases previously deemed inoperable to minimally invasive surgery that greatly improves the potential for full recovery.
Pacific Brain and Spine Medical Group, making a difference in the lives of their patients. Most people think the key role of a physical therapist is to help them recover from injuries, and that's a big part of what they do.
So I had an ACL reconstruction on my right knee, and I was playing a lot of soccer at the time, so I was really worried about getting back to it as quickly as possible.
The team at Lafayette Physical Therapy takes treatment a step further, emphasizing preventative care. What does that mean? It means they focus on your overall wellness to help you prevent injuries before they happen by increasing your physical strength and endurance, plus find out where your body may be holding you back. Serving the San Francisco Bay Area for over 40 years, they've helped thousands of patients of all ages using preventative strategies, hands-on techniques, therapeutic exercises, and healing modalities.
During the initial evaluation and throughout the course of care, we perform tests and measures of range of motion, strength, muscle flexibility, and movement assessments to ensure we are on our way to meeting the goals for each patient. We discuss what the patient has trouble doing or what they want to get back to doing to make sure every aspect of care is in line with achieving those goals, whether it's as straightforward as getting out of bed without pain, climbing stairs, or being able to play their sport at the top of their game. No individual is built alike, so all of our measurements and techniques must be specific and personalized.
They will evaluate where your body may be holding you back.
We continue to hold true to our mission to provide one-on-one personalized care for each and every client, whether it's a physical therapy patient or an individual utilizing one of our many wellness services. We want to help you manage your health not only in recovery, but prevention and enhancement through the ages. Our clients continue to give us outstanding patient satisfaction scores and refer their friends and family, which is the best compliment we can receive.
I went to Lafayette Physical Therapy for my rehab, and it was great, and I would recommend it to anybody.
Lafayette Physical Therapy, improving function, well-being, and overall health for every patient. Extraordinary care from professionals who make a difference. Have you thought about braces? Braces can help you achieve the smile you want. Traditional metal braces can take a longer time to accomplish the smile you desire. They're not very attractive and can be costly. Today, our world is fast-paced, and we expect immediate results with most things in life. Getting a straight smile is no exception. Master affiliate provider of Fast Braces technology, Dr. Jeffrey Bueno, along with his staff at Pacific Dental Care and Fast Braces, offer innovative orthodontic treatments such as Fast Braces to give you a straight, beautiful smile faster than traditional orthodontic treatment.
People usually come in seeking orthodontics for crowded teeth, teeth that are out of position. When they smile, they have gaps in their teeth, they overlap. They'll have teeth that have the fang look. Usually that's kids that come in around the age of 12 and their teeth are coming in. So Fast Braces, just like any other orthodontic, it's comprehensive treatment that can attack all of those.
Dr. Bueno will determine if you're a candidate for Fast Braces and if it's the best treatment option for you.
Fast Braces uses new technology, triangular bracket, square flexible wires, so from day one we're straightening both the tops and the roots of the teeth. Cuts the treatment time in half.
This innovative way to straighten teeth will change your mind about orthodontic treatment and helps create beautiful smiles at any age.
The good thing about Fast Braces is it applies to almost every case. 80% of orthodontic cases are Fast Braces candidates. The benefits of Fast Braces range anywhere from you're spending less, to you're getting your results faster, to you know that you're moving the teeth quicker, but you're doing it safely.
Pacific Dental Care, experience, comfort, efficient care with long-lasting results. Your beautiful smile awaits you.
We know it's important to go to the doctor when we're sick, need a physical, or to have our blood pressure or cholesterol checked. But what about regular hearing exams?
If you have hearing loss, you need to know that you're not alone. Dr. Nobuko Ito and the